Well, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Y'all, welcome back to this class, super income class. Let me get this music down for a second. Give me a second. All right. Welcome back. Welcome back to another stream. We at it again, y'all. We at it again. On this beautiful Wednesday. Let's see what we got in these charts. Let's hit the charts, man, because we ain't going to be here all day. Right? We come to super income class to not be here all day, but to get the information and go on about our day. Okay? So I'm going to make it quick today. It's Wednesday. We're going to see what we got in the market so far. Let's look at what's been happening and just jump straight into it. Strong ass push on NFP. We still came up a little bit. We didn't necessarily close this gap here, but we don't necessarily have to, right? Gold can come up some more if it wants to, but not necessarily close in this gap, right? It can come down. So we'll just see what's happening here. The weekly looks good. Weekly came up and closed the weekly, so we can just go ahead and drop down. We got some refusing to move higher candles here on the 4 hour. Okay, let's check it. Refusing to move higher here. We came up this high. Okay, let's go to it's looking good. All right, let's go here. Let's see what we got here. We got this area here that got taken by these guys. Strong impulsive move to the high side. And then this candle here, this last buy candle, right? Let me mark it real quick. Let me see. I got this on blind right now because I have a lot of markings on here. So let's put the markings back. So we already pretty much, if you're following me, you already pretty much know that I had marked these previous areas of insufficiency in price, liquidity areas, okay? So we have a lot of dollar signs above, right? But we cannot ever forget about what's below. So let's talk about what's below before we get into it, all right? Let's mark some things up real fast. This was taken, so we can get rid of that. Okay. We have some areas below. Let's see. We have this here. Okay. We have a triple bottom there. Okay, we can strongly come down and get that. Reason being is because this is a gap area here. So there's a little strong little gap here. So let's see. What do we have today? What do we feel like is going to happen? We just have to continue to mark it up. According to what I'm seeing right now, I'm also seeing these double tops up here too. All right, so we still, we're in a zone, as you guys can see. This is a zone right here on the 15-minute. But let's talk about it. We have some stuff that's sitting below that I'm looking that we might go ahead and aim for. Okay, we could be aiming for that. So let's see. we was to take a short here, what would this short look like? Let's do a right there above that high, above this here, this area here. Just get above that area. And let's see. We still have these tops here, and we would aim for these bottoms here, this here, and then we have, let's see, we have that, we have this, we have this gap here that they created. Okay, so, and we have more gaps below that they created when they did the push up. Okay. Okay, so just tighten this up a little bit right there. Okay, that looks okay. I'm just updating my eyes on what I see here. It's starting to move a little bit. I think I like it. I like it a lot. I think I might go ahead and make these my targets and choose a sell for today. So we're going to sell this baby at 23.11. Let me get the group into this. I haven't even pulled up the Telegram group just yet. I'm not sure why it's taking forever to do so, but that quick analysis just lets me jump into a trade that my eyes just see immediately. So we're going to sell at this 23.12 area. It looks like it's a good area to probably be in as far as a sell. I would like to target this, this, and this due to the fact that we had a real strong impulsive move here. So let me get this out for y'all. What are we at? 23.12. Okay. 23.10. Okay. 23.08 and 23.06. Okay. And I'm gonna do a stop loss at 23.15. And boom. I mean, just because of the fact that it does look pretty good here in this area. I'm gonna try to sell in this area here. See if we can get this sale. It looks like they're wanting to push a little bit lower on price, bringing price down. So we're going to sell at 23.12. I already just put out the signal into the Telegram group. We're going to take a small stop loss of 35 pips. And yeah, let me get in this trade real quick. Okay. All right, so where is my stop? 23.15. Put my stop at 23.15 on here. So I only lose 35 pips if I'm wrong. 23.15. SL modify. Perfect. All right, I'm in the trade now on my MetaTrader 4. Okay, so again, the reason I'm taking this trade is due to what happened previously. Now, that doesn't mean that, this market cannot go up. This is why I'm just using a tight stop here of 35 pips. As you can see, it's 35 pips. And I'm looking to aim for these targets here below. So we're going to go for 60 pips here. Okay. And that's why I'm keeping it tight, right? I'm going to just keep it tight here. All right. let me check something so I can verify that this market could still fall. And what I like to do is pull up the DXY real fast. And now let's pull up DXY and see what DXY got going. All right. DXY has taken on the 15 minute. They have taken here. So these guys are out here and there. All right. It has come as low as, let me see. Hold on. Here, that low, which is over here. So they did take these guys out, right? We still have this gap below. I'm thinking maybe we could still tap down in this gap, right? Before we get a little push up. See how she's falling into that gap. We might still get this, I marked this yesterday. We might still get this here. So I might have to wait on gold to make its move to the downside while DXY is trying to move more to the downside. Usually if DXY is moving down, gold is moving up. So we might see a little, maybe some pushes to the upside on gold. Okay. Again, keeping in mind, always keep things in mind, guys, that we have top liquidity, but we do have a whole lot of bottom liquidity, but we definitely do have a lot of top liquidity. All right. This is why using proper risk management is important. Okay. See all of this above? That's money above. Then you have this stuff below, right? All of these guys moving, pushing this market, moving up, right? So we have options, right? Like literally there's only two doors we can go to. We can go to a buy door or a sell door, right? So if you choose a door, make sure you use proper risk on it. I'm taking a 35 pip stop on this one, right? If I'm wrong, I'm going to get out at 35 pips. If I'm right, I'm going to profit 60 pips, okay? But I also keep in mind that I have liquidity above and I do see liquidity below. So what I'm doing here is I'm looking at the previous price action that happened, right? This impulsive move here happened, and then we had a retrace. We pulled down and retraced back into it. Due to the fact that this moved so fast, slipped up so fast, they had to come back and close it, as you can see, right? Then they pushed up again, back to like basically like in the area of where they pushed and took liquidity, just retraced back up into it, right? And then they retraced back up into it again. So I'm thinking maybe after two retraces, maybe even three retraces, you know, 1, 2, 3, you know, we could possibly get the sell to the downside, right? This is a place where it's early. I would say I'm kind of early to be able to really determine on which direction we're going because we haven't taken a side just yet. We're still in the middle of traffic. Okay, so this is why I'm like, wait, let me take a little 35 pip stop here. If I'm wrong, I'll get out at 35 pips and then I'll just reanalyze. Maybe we'll come up here to 23.18 and I can get the sale here. All right. Or just maybe we might just take this to the top and take it all the way up, right? Because we do still have, when you see these wicks here, guys, this is money in the wicks. So we could come up this high. This is like a triple top here. And then we have like this double bottom or a triple bottom here. We're just in a consolidation area. This is a range, okay? So when we're ranging, most traders get hurt the most. They don't really know what to do in a range. Me personally, I think I should have waited until I got one side was taken. But I'm just going to take a small 35 pip. loss on this if I'm wrong, and it's okay. I don't have a problem with that, right? I want to just keep checking the DXY real quick. Let me just see. She's still getting a little push to the bottom. Just a little bit. We might be, due to the fact that I'm taking these lows, we might still get a little bit of push down, and then she might, you know, pop up for us. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for DXY to pop back up. So this way gold, we can get that push to the downside on gold. Oops. Okay. I mean, that's pretty much what I'm looking for today. Market's looks a little ugly up in this area, but this is probably as low as I'm gonna go. Probably go back up, so we'll see what we can get. Maybe we can get down here to these lows here. I'm seeing this here with the gap below. Last sell before the up move, all right, which was here. They came back into it a couple times. They were trying to push down into this area, right? Don't be afraid, guys, if you are wrong in a trade. There's nothing wrong with that. Losing a trade doesn't mean that you've lost your account or you can't trade or whatever. It just means that you need to probably reevaluate the markets a little bit more and just to figure out where she's going. This is a pretty crazy area to be in due to the fact that there's a lot of traffic in this area. Okay, a lot of traffic here. We might end up getting hit here at 35 pips because here come the market. Looks like, what time is it? 8:18. So we're getting a little bit of volume, which is okay. Right? I'll take the, okay. Wait, let me see. 15.99. We might get, I'll need to wait. This is what I want to do. I want to wait until one side get taken. I don't know which side getting taken yet. Right? This was just a guess area that I want to see market come down, push down. But DXY is tanking a little bit. So DXY could definitely get down in this area that I had right here. I already marked this up for y'all a couple days ago, maybe last week. I don't change things on my charts. I keep it there. I just update the chart. So yeah, we're going to get this feel of insufficiency here. And we could continue to push down, which could cause gold to move up some. So let me see. If we don't get if we don't get the sell here, I'm going to be looking to buy her back all the way up to, you know, to these price zones up here. Here, here, here. All right. I'm going to take a little small L here just so I can see what it is that we're going to do. And then I'm gonna get back into the trade once when she's done doing whatever the heck she's doing right now. All right. I might end up having to sell a little higher, which I would like to. Okay. So boom, we got hit on this one at 35 pips, which is not a problem. All right. Now let's continue up. Let's just see. I knew I should have actually waited a little bit, but I wanted to see more of this push to the downside. But we're in a, like I said, we're in a zone. This zone here will hurt a lot of traders. This is why you have to wait. This is a prime example of waiting on one side to get taken, because look at this. Look at that. It's 68 pips of fluctuation they've been doing since earlier this morning, right? They've been fluctuating in this area a lot. So they're building up orders here. One side needs to get taken, and we don't have it yet. So we're going to wait for one side to get taken. We must have news today. Let me check that. That would be a good idea to do, right? Is to check the news. Let's see what we got. What's today? The 12th? 8:30. Yes, we do have news. Okay. So we got news at 8:30. So we're going to sit back and chill, and let's just see what we're going to get. Because one of these sides need to get taken, and it hasn't been taken just yet. Okay? Hasn't been taken just yet. So let's just keep investigating on what they can do. So let's go to hourly. Let's see. So 4 hour. See, look, this price action looks horrible. They need to break out of this. This is really bad price action right here. It's actually good price action, but it doesn't look like, look at this traffic. They haven't been breaking highs or lows. They haven't been doing anything, just fluctuating. Look at it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 candles, 4 hour candles just fluctuating in the same area, price zones. So, like I said, it's been a 60 pip, 68 pip fluctuation up and down. So they've been hurting people a lot here. All right, so do we want to take this buy up? Because it doesn't look like they want to sell down, but I want to wait till the news. So I'm going to sit here and I'm going to wait till the news real quick. I'm going to wait and see if we can probably get some news. I mean, I could have did a higher stop, but I just wanted to see if we were going to get a push to the downside, which we really didn't get that push. We got a small push, but nothing really. Nothing really. Let's see, 15 minute. Let me check it out. All right, so we had this consolidation here. They just took all of these guys out. Moved back up into this candle here. Yes. All right. This is why I'm kind of looking and debating on the sell. I should have did my stop just a little higher. Maybe 40 pips would have sufficed it. All right. All right. Where's the group? Let me let the group know. All right, so let's see. Where is the group? All right. So we're taking a little bit of a top here of liquidity area, that this range here, and we've taken them with this manipulation wick, right? We didn't quite get up in this area. Let's do, this is why I usually do a 50 pip stop. Let's do a 50 pip stop there. It's still kind of high, but it's kind of like out the way. Let's see if we can get it. We might still get this setup here. We might still get it. It just depends. So we're gonna wait until the next 4 minutes, until after we're gonna wait till the news drops. So let me prepare my yeah, 23. We got a nice manipulation on this. If you can see, this is the manipulation right here. If we was to drop down on the 5 minute, you can see it a lot more. Let's see. Right, look. Taking these guys out, manipulating this, right? This price, taking them out, and then what? Reversing. So we do have this here, and then we have, let's see, what else we got? We got these guys here. They were smacked too. So let's see. This side got taken first, and now this side is getting taken. So let's see if this will continue up. Oh, we got these tops here. This is a strong chance of these tops getting taken too. Hold on, let me check this real quick. Let's see. All right, so we're seeing there's some volume coming in. Let's see if we can get this. Let me check DXY real quick. If DXY keeps falling, then I'm probably going to end up buying gold back up. Okay, so they did reach down in my liquidity area. They dipped into it, as you can see here. Look at this dip into the liquidity zone. So now maybe we can still continue to get this push down in there. This is a gap that we have to close, guys. Remember I said that they have to close the gaps. So now I'm thinking, all right, well, if DXY is pushing down, gold should most likely move up. But I also want to wait until this little news drops real quick. See if we'll get this push to the high side. And we need to take this side. We need to get all the way up here. So this is at what? 23.17. We need to get up here to these areas here. So this is what I'm getting ready to look for. If this happens. I'm noticing they are taking liquidity, but they didn't get up here to these tops, which is, we already know what that is. There's money sitting there. So now I'm thinking, all right, well, if they don't want to move lower, where can they go? They can move higher. Boom, they're moving higher. Okay. So they moved higher, which lets me know, like, now this is their move. All right, I'm just gonna update the group real quick. That was a nice little take. Look at all the liquidity above. Remember I said that if we don't target these lows, we gotta target these highs. So those highs is what's getting taken right now, and that was a nice little push. We didn't get in on that because I wanted to wait till after the news drops so we could see, which actually should have bought up because I was thinking DXY could move down, so we should buy up now. Which this was a nice long strong, okay, there's that manipulation candle we're looking for right there. And if you look left, they're playing into a order block. So they just played off an order block and snatched. That was a nice snatch. 15-minute, 5-minute snatch. 1 minute. Yeah. Nice. Alright, so stop loss was hit on that one. Well, we already was out 35 pips. This is why I didn't want to. I wanted it tight because I knew news was coming. So we just going to wait. Just going to wait. I'm glad we were out of this trade. Because I would like to see. And I knew it. Look. Tops. Now these guys are out. This happens, guys. See, this is why you must use proper risk, and you must do an analysis so that you can know you can have your targets. Because they're hitting my target straight on. They hit this straight on. Right? That was a real nice trade there. On the MetaTrader 4, they created a strong gap. They gapped up so high. Okay. Now let's see something. Yeah. Taking this top here. They took these bottoms and they took these tops. So all of these guys are out right here. So let's update that. Okay. Those guys are out. And it looks like we're going to aim for more of the top liquidity area. Let me go to 4 hour real quick. Alrighty. Let's see. Oh, wait, let me update the group real fast. Okay. Alright. That looks a lot better. This is what we needed right here. We needed this manipulation candle. Remember, I was already had my eyes on this liquidity areas here. So, we already got this liquidity area, which I've already showed you guys on the 15-minute. That, or I think it was the hourly. Yeah, hourly. That this was an order block right here, sitting here. The reason why I marked this up. Because this is an order block, y'all. Okay? Alright, let's see what else we got going. This is a strong manipulation candle. This is the candle that did that thing. This is manipulating them, okay? Usually when they do strong pushes like this, they're getting ready to sell back down. So let's watch them do it. Okay? Let's see, 15-minute real quick. Okay. We're still looking good there. So you can only gonna be able to see it on the 1 minute. Alright. Let's do this. 23, 24. Alright. Let me do this. To 23, 20, and TP3, 18. Let's see. L 23, 28. I want to say 28. Nice manipulation here. This is a prime example of manipulation if you've never seen it before. This is price manipulation here. So what we're doing right now is we're kind of like in this area here of 23.24. Let's see, where is the 23.28 would be above these highs here, and then 23.30. Okay, up in this area, this wick area. So let's look here. Let's go back to the 15-minute. Let's jab and see. Wait, hold on. I think I saw something in 1 minute. Is it 1 minute or 5 minutes? Let me check it. Come on. Are we going to push up some more? For an hour. One hour. This was spot on perfect, guys. Oh my God. Look at this here. She literally, let's see. She went up and she came back down about 45 pips. You only got about 45 pips off of this here. Not really that much of a trade. Of a snatch, you know, should I say. It didn't really snatch like I wanted to. I wanted to see more of a snatch. That's not enough of a snatch. Look. They were up in this area. They still pulled back 80, like from this area to where they are now. Yeah. So let's just watch them. This is nice though. I ain't even gonna lie. This is what you want to see, right? I said that this is zoning. One side got to get taken. So they did take a side, which is great. It's nice to see that. See that they did hit all of my target. Okay. And we still have targets above. We can't forget about those. I have an alert up here too. All right. So now let's just drop down to 15 real quick. Just keep looking. All you got to do is just keep investigating and seeing what you might see. This wick, it needs to get filled now because of the fact that this is a strong wick of manipulation and there's money in this wick. So the chances of us moving up is very, very strong. Okay. Very strong. I just updated the group. Make sure I updated them. Yep. Okay. So let's see. We're just going to watch this real quick. Look how they're moving here on the 4 hour. Wanting to close this gap here. Wanting to close this here. Let me see something. DXY. DXY had to push down too. Look at DXY. Let's look at DXY real quick. Yep. See that? DXY definitely had to push down. Look, all in this area, this zone. So they closed the gap. Well, not necessarily closed it just yet. Let me see it. Yeah. They closed this gap here, but they didn't close this one. So this was a target area and this was a target area. This is why my idea for buying gold would have taken off because of this lower liquidity areas. Okay. But it's okay. You know, we just took a 35 pip hit on that, which is fine. Okay, so DXY was doing her thing. I figured news would help DXY close that gap. And then we're stalling in this area here, which we could still see this market push up even more. But the way that she manipulated and now have taken liquidity here, 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 and here, I'm wanting to see if maybe we can get a turnaround from that area. So let's look. Doesn't quite look like we're going to turn around just yet. Maybe. We might turn around up in this area. Just maybe. But if we already know that DXY is moving down, gold moving up. Okay. We have to pull back eventually. Where are we going to pull back at? That is the question. I don't know why my phone is going on. Alright, so we are in this area here. Let's see, are we going to get this pull? It was a serious snatch, y'all, for real. I think I'm going to go ahead and shoot this thing down, too. Yeah, there was a nice little snatch there. Let's see if maybe we can we pull that out? I don't like the 50 pip stop, though. I'm going to be honest. I don't like the 50 pip stop. Got hit on the 35 pip. Now it will be the 50 pip. I don't think I want to do that. Let's see something, because this area would have been a nice little area to sell in along with this one. And this one would have gave me a nice little, 26 to 30 pip stop here. So let's see. Let's do 30. Close to 30. We'll see. Damn, I can't get this thing on 30. Alright, let's see. I actually think that this would be, because you could come back down here. I mean, they did a nice little push of 216 pips, right? So I'm not sure just yet if I'm wanting to get into this trade, right? A lot of times, if you're feeling unsure, it's best to stay out of the market, right? Because this market can go higher. You see, we have stuff that's sitting above. So I don't want to short this market just yet. So I'm going to wait on the short. I'm going to wait. I ain't going to take the short. I'm going to wait on it, and I'm going to wait to see whatever else we might have above. Maybe we can come and take more liquidity to the top, because there's still liquidity sitting there. I'm waiting on a sale to bring this market back up, but due to momentum, it's not something that I really want to sell at the moment, but I would like to take a sale when she's showing. She's not showing she's turning around, not even on a 15-minute. Not just yet. We don't have any sign just yet that we're going to turn around. I'm waiting on it, waiting on that sign to say, hey, turn around, let's turn around. But we haven't got it yet. We're still moving to the upside. So this is where I will sit back And most likely, I won't take another trade until tomorrow, which I don't mind leaving today with the 35 pips, right? I don't mind taking walking away with my 35 pip, but I would like to take a sale, but she has to set up for a sale. And the fact is, she hasn't set up for a sale just yet. Yeah, 12. I'm gonna wait until after 12 minutes, till after this 15-minute candle closes. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait for that. Man, I must be need some more tea or something. Come on, give me that sale. Nope, still not there. Still not there. We might still get this push to the high side. I'm still waiting on a 5-minute to do its thing, and it's still not doing it. So I'm just gonna watch this market. I'm not gonna take another trade. Took a small trade. I'm not gonna take another one until I see the 5-minute do the setup. And the 5-minute hasn't done it yet. All we did was we just took liquidity. Right? We taking the top liquidity. We took bottom liquidity a little bit right here. So this was the indication that they were coming up to take the tops. Right? So I'm gonna just wait on some closures here. See how these close for the day. Let me see the 4-hour real quick. It's just showing that we got momentum moving to the high side, which we could close high and then continue to close even higher. This is when you just have to have your little patience. I told you guys, I should have had a little patience up in this area. Just waited for a side to get taken. When that side got taken, then I should have pressed the button. Because it was ranging in this area. It was ranging. Now, a lot of people, what they like to do is they like to put sell stops and buy stops above and below, so that when market does take off, you know, they'll get hit. But the problem I have with that, of placing those type of orders, is one, they could excuse me, they could easily snatch and turn on one of your sell stops or buy stops and then switch and go to the other direction real easy. Let's see. Oh, we getting buys now. All right, so we're still getting buys. Momentum is still being pushed to the upside, which is good. We still have all of this liquidity sitting above, so we're aiming for that. So that's where we're aiming for. And let me look at DXY real fast. Look at DXY. Closing our gaps in this gap here, still showing that we want to move further down. We haven't showed yet that we are stopping. This train is moving. So if this train is moving to the downside, gold is going to probably continue to push up. All right. So let's get ready. Let's see if we're gonna get this set up. 5-minute just did this, so We're definitely not trying to look for sales now. Not just yet. Let me go to 1 minute real quick. Yeah, see they're closing this wick right here. We're still waiting. Still waiting. Some days trading is, man, seriously, you get in, you'll find a position, you'll get in, and it'll get to your TPs. And some days you'll get a position and it won't reach your TP. It might hit your stop. This is why you got to use, I guess, small risk. You know, I risk small. So, you know, you shouldn't be blowing your account on one trade, period. All right. Yeah, this market is going to continue moving up. And it looks like we're going to go up for a very long time. Yeah. She broke here. This area is here. So she bust through this traffic area. So now we have enough momentum to move even higher. They're playing all in that area. And then not showing that they want to turn around at all. Excuse me. I had a late night. All right. Let's see what we get. All right, DXY is still moving down. See that? DXY is still moving down, so gold is most likely going to continue to the high side. All right. Come on. Sticking. We can go even higher, guys. This market is most likely going to go even higher. Even if you was to buy long this position here. What time is it? It's almost 9 o'clock. I really don't like trading, placing trades exactly at the 9 o'clock hour. Because this can go anyway. Okay, let's see. It's a 50 pip stop there. And it's not even below this low. Below that candle would be too freaking close. Yeah, guys, let's just chill. Let's just chill. Let's not even get in this market just yet, because this market can still go up, but the fact is this is some serious slippage that she might want to fall down. You know what I mean? So, because let's say we did try to long here. Let me look left. We could take all of this. Strong chance of us taking all of that. Right? But then look at this. Look at this here. We got a nice impulsive move here of 200 pip. That is not something that, you know, I want to put my group in, because I don't know if they can handle a 200 pip stop. You know, I can, but I don't want to handle a 200 pip stop, right? And let's say we was to bring it up some. I just think that it's a 1 to 7. Let's look left. Can we close up there? Can we get up there? Not really wanting to take a trade right here. You know, this is not an ideal area to want to take a buy. It doesn't sit right with me. It doesn't feel right. So I wouldn't buy in this area at all. Mm. I'm just gonna let her do her thing until, cause look, this is letting me know that she's going to come back. She gotta come back. She gotta. This slippage is saying that market will come back down. They're just leaving their footprints right now. Let's go to 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour still strong. Let's say we was to sell off of this. You would have got like 80, 90 pips, but then look, she would have put you back at break even. So, yeah, could have taken the buy and got, I mean, the sale here and took 90 pips, but she would have came back and put you at break even. So, that's not what I would want to do, because I'm looking for these positions would have held. This position would have held. Even, you know, up in here, this position here would have probably held too. So we had positions that would have held from down here. This is what, June 10th? Oh, okay, this is a couple days ago. It was Monday. All right. So yeah, they're going to continue this market and push up. Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. It's sitting out and taking a day to just look at the market, right? If I take one hit and I feel like she went too far, like smacked my hit, but even though it was a tight stop, I mean, I use very small risk on this trade. And she continued. I just needed to see their hand first to see what they're going to do so that I know what I could do in the future. And right now, this market is not going to stop moving. They're going to keep pushing. And if anybody is trying to sell this market right now, you're going to get hit. I just want to let you know. Right? Because of what they just did. They just took all of this money. All of this is gone. Okay? It's gone. We still have money sitting here, and money up in this area here. This is a really big area to have money sitting. All right? They're most likely going to keep this market pushing up. So it's Wednesday, and I don't mind having a, 35 pip loss, due to the fact that we've been murdering the market all week. So that's not even touching the profits that I've already gained. Come on, 5 minutes. Let's see. 1 minute. Nope. Still trending up. Still showing that they want to move this market even higher. Let's go. Move it higher then. What I want to do is just sit back and watch. I don't want to make any moves. As a trader, you got to know when to make that call. You got to know when you want to sit back and watch and just let the market do what it want to do, because the setup could happen after. It will happen after all of this is done. Again, I said DXY. We look at DXY real quick. DXY is still moving to the downside. Look how much in the gap that she got. Let's just pull this up. Remember, I had these as targets. These targets did get hit. Smacked. Not just hit. Smacked. Right? And going to continue down. Most likely. Most likely this is going to continue down. closing this gap, get down here to this last buy before the up move candle. So this can continue, this market can continue to fall, which means gold should continue to rise. Okay. Now that doesn't mean just jump into the trade and just you know, put down heavy lot sizes. It doesn't mean that at all. What it means is you need to be vigilant of this strong impulsive move, push. They've taken liquidity. What more liquidity targets could they possibly hit, which could be this here, and this here. Where is the last buy to sell candle, which is sitting here before the down move? That's the candle that did it right here. So it's this candle. Strong chance of us coming back up into this candle. Okay. If you wanted to buy up here, use proper risk. That's all I'm going to say. I can't stop traders from buying. If they want to buy, go ahead and buy. I've already told you the DXY is moving down and that this market can continue moving up. You see the targets, you see the dollar signs, right? Me personally, I would not take a buy here. Even if I know that these are target areas, I want to wait and see if these areas get hit. Because if I just guess and say, hey, they're going to hit these areas now, I'm wrong. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm wrong for thinking that. What I need to do is they need to show me that they're wanting to hit these areas, and they need to hit them. So I'm going to wait. And what is this? This is the hourly chart. So all I really want to do is wait and see how this market reacts. This is a strong area to be in. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Because of this order block right here. That's pretty strong area to be in. To be honest, let's just say I would look for shorts here. And let's just see if I would have taken a short here, I probably would have got hit a little bit. Filled this gap. I don't like when I'm down on a lower time frame and my pip count is like high, like 30, 40, 50 pips when I'm on a lower time frame. Really, I would like for my pips to be 15 to 20, you know, something light. The fact is they went above this 26 pips. It's kind of like, well, it's a little out of range for me. So to take a sell right here would be, I mean, looking left, I would have probably taken my shot. I ain't even gonna lie to you guys. I would have taken this shot here and brung her back down. Sold here at 23.37 and probably had like some tight 30 pip stop, 35 pip stop, another 35 pip stop there. And then maybe trying to bring her back down to these areas. Let me see. Let me check the 1 hour. I don't like it, but I would have liked to see that. And that's just like, maybe we can get that. Just maybe. So if I was to take a shot here, I would want a 35 pip stop, and I would bring her back down to where she broke at. Let's see here. It's 172 pips down. Could we come back down 172 pips? Well, I would have to look on a lower time frame to see. We still on the 5 minute. This is what I mean. 5 minute isn't showing me the idea of a move to the downside at all. And the 5 minute doesn't show me it. And in this area, like, this is what I mean by when she gets into my POI and I have to watch and see how she reacts in it. Due to the fact that she's still pushing up and closing above this POI, all these candles closing above the POI is kind of like, no, this ain't the trade or this shot isn't the shot, right? Because of the fact that when she got in this POI, she kept moving and pushing and pushing and moving. So I was like, the setup isn't even here yet. It's not here. There's no setup here. So this POI to the look left is not ideal. You got to pay attention to stuff like that, guys. Due to the fact that that POI moved. Look how she moved in this area. Y'all see how she moved? Let's look. Look at it bigger. Look how she moved when she got into this POI and she pushed above it, right? Pushed above 27 pips above it. Not that you can't handle 27 pips. You can. But it's the fact that we still have liquidity sitting here and here. It's too close. The liquidity area is too close. If I was a big boy, I would want to take that, right? I really would. I want to take that and not try to sell this just yet. I think if anybody is trying to sell this just yet, you're going to get hit in some kind of way because they're going to fluctuate up in this area a lot. But I would still want to see them push higher. But this is a 35 pip stop. I would, like I said, my first shot would have been off of this POI. 15 minute. I'm tripping. 15 minute. Yeah, my first shot probably would have been off of this POI right here. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. This is probably where I would have wanted to take a shot due to what's over here. And if I would have got hit, I would have been looking for higher POIs, right? Like up in this area. Here go one. This order block right here. But then there's like all of this insufficiency in price above. So trying to sell this market would be, you have to really find it. You got to investigate, guys. You really got to investigate it. So this wouldn't have been ideal because look how she closed. Look how she's pushing above it, above this POI. This is not something that I would have been able to take because the lower time frame wasn't adding up to the price action that I wanted it to be. So this wouldn't have been ideal. That's what I mean by I have to watch her in these areas. I don't do limits. I don't do no pending orders, none of that. A market execution. I needed to see on the 5 minute her be in this area and start creating, like showing that she wasn't moving higher. Due to the fact that she's showing that she wants to move higher, I'm not taking this shot. I don't care if she goes even up a little couple pips and then falls. I'm still not going to take this shot because of the fact that she didn't move off of the look left POI. She didn't move accordingly the way I like to see her move, right? So this shooting off of this area wouldn't been, I would have got hit again. I would have got hit here. So just saving my account, not depleting my account, and just doing what? Research. Okay, look left. Where did we get? We got above this area here. So these guys are out. These guys here. Look at that. They gone. Okay. And there was a little sneaky gap on the 5 minute right there. Even sometimes, guys, as a as a long-time trader, right? Been in the game some years. You still kind of miss some things. And when you go back and you look at the market again, you'll find out where you went and you missed it. What happened? Why did you miss that? Okay. So this would have been more of a an area to shoot at. There. We can try that. That would have, let's see how that looks here. Didn't close above it. Kind of still, you know, got above, wicked above, but didn't really close like I wanted to. Let's see, she closed above it, wicked it, but still showing not moving lower. So we're still moving higher. We're probably going to get here, here, and here. Probably going to get all the way up here. I ain't even going to lie to you guys. Probably going to get way up there. I'm just going to have to wait and watch. All right, this is one of those tricky days. But not necessarily really tricky. To be honest, like, it showed. They showed it to us. DXY had all of this money sitting below. Let me go to hourly. Yeah, DXY had all this money sitting below. As you can see, look at those targets. This was beautiful. I just didn't play it accordingly. Right? I knew that DXY was going to push down. I figured that news would be the reason why DXY would get help to push down. I shouldn't have been trying to sell gold when I knew that there was liquidity above. It happens that way, guys. Man, it happens, yo. For real. As long as you can catch yourself, you say, okay, I know the reason why I missed the move. Boom, because of this. And my reason I missed the move is because of the DXY. Me not paying attention to the DXY. Actually, I did pay attention to the DXY. It was just the news that came in. I was looking for one side to get taken, and I didn't wait. You see that? I didn't wait on the news to hit. So now they just hit my alert. Okay. Let me see what's happening. Okay. I didn't wait. So this was the mistake. Not waiting for one side to get taken. We still had dollar signs here and dollar signs here. As you can still see, we have it. A dollar sign sitting here. I wanted her to push low to come into this candle and then shoot up. Not just take off up. You know what I'm saying? No real manipulation, but only in this little small area here. They took the bottoms and then they went top. That showed like, okay, y'all wanted to do it sneakily, which is fine, right? Let's go here to the 5 minute and look. This is what they did. They accumulated, they manipulated one side. Easy call to say they were going to the other side, right? I just missed this. That's it. Caught it late. Caught it too late. And then they took off. Now let's see. There's this dollar sign here. Still not seeing the setup on the 5 minute. Not seeing it. Not seeing a reason to sell just yet. So this looks like a day where we'll just hang out. We won't necessarily hit the button anymore today. And there's nothing wrong with that. You guys got to know when to trade and when not to trade. I think that's one of the traders' biggest mistakes is not knowing when to stop trading. They'll continue trading, and they'll be depleting their account, man. You gotta watch. Just sit back and wait and watch. You're gonna see it. It's gonna happen. All right. Is it happening now? Look, is it happening now? Alright, let's see if we would have hit that one. Okay, I mean, not bad. 20 pips out. 25 pip stop isn't that bad. You know, um, it's still trending up. Let's see. I want to see DXY turn around. If DXY doesn't turn around, there's no need to sell this market. DXY still has, plenty of room to close these trades. All right, close this gap right here. My bad. Yeah, I would still see DXY wanting to come further down. I would still wait. I would wait, guys. Let me do this. I'm gonna update this. We took a hit there. 6 wins. And we just, where is it? Cancel. And losses. And settings. So, it's our 9th loss. Too easy. 26 wins, 9 losses. Okay. Just did a little update there. Alright. Now let's see. DXY is wanting to move. This is still not giving me what I'm looking for. This is not really, it's not really giving me what I want, but because this market can still continue to push up. This is not, okay, look, 1 minute, see, they're showing me something on the 1 minute, but not really something that I would really want to take. I think that this push here would only been, what, 28 pips? That's not a push for me. I wouldn't take that. Not at all. I would just have to wait this out. I liked how she moved above this dollar sign, and I mean this wick, and pushed up. And then we have this rejection area. They're rejecting, but we still got this high here, and then we have this low here. We need to move lower below that on the 1 minute. They have to show the trend change. Right now we're still trending up. They haven't showed me the trend change just yet. I would like to see that before I decide to want to sell this market. I'm just going to sit back and wait, guys. I know it's hard for a lot of traders to wait for the market. They want to press the button so bad, but waiting is the game here. Patience. You must have patience, okay? All right, it's looking a lot better. Starting to look a little better. But, like I said, DXY got so much money below. I want to see him close it. Is DXY moving up now? Let's see. Nope. DXY is still pushing down. All right? So, I'm not going to sell gold. I'm going to leave gold alone. I'm going to leave the markets actually alone and just let the markets today just ride. I don't care what this market does. It can move higher if it wants. It can move lower. It doesn't matter. Me and my team are not going to be in this type of traffic. We want way more cleaner traffic than this, right? Oh my God. Everybody is contacting me right now. Okay. No, we're not in a trade. We're watching the market. We could get in 23.36. Looks good, but for the sale, it looks good. Look like we could have sold off of this area due to a little bit more of the setup. Looks a lot better. You need more candles. I need a little bit more candles. Breaking this low. Nope. We're going to wait, guys. It's going to be a waiting day. And plus, we've been on the stream for an hour and 22 minutes. And usually by this time, we've already caught our position. And because we didn't catch this push up, we're just going to stay out of the trades today. All right. We'll just come back here Thursday at 8 a.m. Eastern time, and we will all right, I'm gonna have to turn you down because messing with my attention span. All right, so yeah, again, don't try to sell this market just yet. I'm still waiting to see if we can get a little more price action in this area. Other than that, I think we're gonna look for sales, but probably not today. We might not look for sales today. I wanted to see a sale today, but the buys was so strong. The buyers came in very strong due to DXY. And it was an easy call, you know what I'm saying? It just moved faster than I can call it. So we'll be back here again in this area. I want to get us another trade because I know I could find one. It's just, let me double check the 5 minute now. Okay, here we go, 5 minute. 5 minute is showing a little bit more of that presence of wanting to move to the downside. More say, I would say. Short here. We'll take a 35 pip stop right there. And we'll short here at 23.36. Let's say 23.36, yeah. I'm trying to get this here. Boom. This would look a little bit more ideal as far as if I wanted to short. But it's still, we got below this low. We didn't close below it. See, you gotta zoom in. We didn't close below this low, so we're still on the point of moving this market higher. But we could, if we can move below this low, that'll be great. Maybe even possibly this low. So this will give me more of an idea of us moving to the downside. And let me check the 15 minute real quick. 15 minute looks good. The 15 minute does look okay now. Yeah, 15 minute looks okay now. It looks okay to maybe take this market back down. I would like to see her come back down. Like down to about 60 pips. Okay, maybe 60 pips. We'll see. No, guys, I am not in this trade. I am just like trying to find a position that might work out. If it doesn't look good, then I will not take this price action, this price at 23.36. I won't take it. If it doesn't look good, if this market doesn't break these lows, then I'm not going to take this trade. It has to break these lows. And then she's not doing it just yet. I mean, the 1 hour probably looks good. Yeah, the 1 hour looked good up in that area. Getting into this gap area. When I say they smacked these price actions, could have held this trade for a very, very long time down here. At 22.88, this would have been the trade to hold instead of getting out. Because we already knew we had these marked up. We already knew they were going to eventually come back. So catching it right here was just beautiful. It was perfect, guys. It was perfect. But now, just trying to see if this would have been an area that we could have sold in. I'm still thinking. Let me check DXY real quick. Did DXY finish? No, DXY isn't done. All right, until DXY get done, there is no need for us to take any trades. It's not even a need for me to even look for a sell because DXY isn't finished. When DXY get done doing its thing, then we can probably start looking for sales. Other than that, guys, we're not selling. We're not pressing no more buttons. We're not doing anything today. All right. Monday was a win. Tuesday was a win. And today is Wednesday. We lost 35 pips, which is okay. We're still up for the week. Our percentage is still high, right? So I don't like the 5 minute. I don't like how the 5 minute is moving. And I don't really like watching the 1 minute. 1 minute is only for like entries for me. It has to make sense on the hourly. And the hourly is just showing like strong momentum. Okay. So, but I will say and tell you guys this. My prediction for the buy side was 100% right. The buy side prediction was right. We had too much liquidity above for us to not take it. Yeah, we had this little liquidity down here, but these were like more say little bags. The most bags was where? Up here. Right? This is where the most bags was sitting. We had more bags sitting up here than we had sitting down here. So this was more say like a small bag, and this was a bigger bag up here. All of this was bigger bag above. So the reason for them going to the high side, I mean, it makes 100% sense. It makes sense. I'm still not seeing something. I'm still not seeing what I want to see in it. So if I'm not seeing what I want to see, if you ever find yourself going back and forth, don't trade. Don't hit the button, because now you're not positive. You're not sure. You're not confident in it just yet. You have to wait it out. I don't care what she does. If I was right to be able to sell this market, or if I was right to be able to buy this market up, it's about how my intuition is treating me right now, right? I know my setup. I understand the plan. This is a quick buy. And what they're going to do is they're going to sell eventually. I know I want the sale. But where? Now I'm trying to find it. I'm investigating, trying to find the sale, right? I don't want to guess. I want to see exactly where this sale could be. I'm thinking up in this area, but she has to create. She did, look, not wanting to move higher, wanting to move lower. They got to get below the lows in order for me to want to sell, to short. If they want me to short, they got to get below the lows as far as a short. And let's just see, could we short this here? Get below these lows. Okay. Not moving higher. They rejected to move higher, and now they wanted to move lower. Let's see. Let's go check it out. DXY is still moving down. Okay. This is looking more of like the setup here. That's better. That's way better. That looks good. That looks good. That looks good right there, guys. That looks really good right there. Let's see, 23.34. We can actually probably try to bring this market back down. 5 minutes is starting to look a lot better. That looks better. This is what I'm talking about right there. Boom. This is what we needed. You got to be patient and look. 2, 3, 3, 3, 2. That looks a lot better, guys. That right there looks good. Okay. 30. 28. 26. And let's see. 15. 20. What was that? 30. 40. 41. I think. Yeah. 23. 41. Let's just see if maybe do I want to take a sale or not? That is the question. The setup was looking a little better. Let me check the 1 minute real quick. No. They broke this setup. They broke this setup. All right, let's see if we can we get this, boom, off of this area here. This wick is this high. 37, 35, okay. Do you want to sell the setup off of here? Maybe we can catch it. They didn't move higher here. They broke this area here, which is okay. This is like letting me know, like, yo, they broke the lows. We might be able to continue getting down. So, I mean, everybody's waiting on sales. I could tell. Everybody's wanting to sell this market. But let me go back and check DXY real fast. DXY has to start moving up. DXY still is moving up a little bit, but it's not moving up. It's not like snatching up, but it is kind of moving up, but not necessarily snatching up just yet. They're kind of trying to do the setup here. We're making the setup now. So now I'm like, all right, because before none of this was the setup. Now we're in the setup. All right, so all right, this is it. I'm gonna be done for the day. Promise you, I'm gonna be done for the day. And let's do, what is that? Let's do 40. Let's do that. All right. Okay, let's just try this. This is my last one. I'm gonna freaking try for the day. And I just gave this to the group. I just dropped it in. We already sold at the 23.35 area. So we actually got in at 23.35. Okay. So we are in at 23.35 and I can't even talk just fast enough. And we've already hit the TP. Where is it? TP1 was 23.33. And then TP2 is 23.31. And then TP3 is 23.29. All right. So all right. You gotta be I don't know, quick on your feet when it comes to trading. You gotta be ready to see how they make the move, and if you see the setup happen, if the setup happens, then it happens. Even if you decide like, I don't want to trade, but then wait, there's a setup. Boom, I'm gonna take it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take the setup. All right. All right. So gold TP2 was hit, and then look, they already hit our TP3. I can't even update the group fast enough. Where is it? Okay. Okay. Right now, yeah, because I'm up. That was an easy band. Easy band. Still moving. Let's go. TP. Yeah. So we got hit with 35 this morning, and then in the beginning of the stream, and then here it is, closer to the end of the stream. We find the setup and we smack it. You know what I mean? So sometimes it's like this, guys. You'll be like, oh, let me stay out and let me wait. Let me wait and see. Wait on the turnaround. So right now we just getting ready to go ahead and break even. Boom. I'm gonna go ahead and let them know. Okay. All right. I got them taking partials. I got them already at break even. And now listen, sometimes one setup won't work. Okay. Doesn't mean you go and cry about it. You just keep investigating and you wait and just sit back and just examine what's happening in the market. Where did you go wrong? I showed you guys where I went wrong. I showed you guys that I'm not a perfect trader. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Y'all ran through my psychology this morning with the news and everything. So, and as you can see, we're out of this trade now. Like, not necessarily out of it. A lot of people went break even. And she did push for us from the time that I told the group to get in at 23.35. We bagged 85 pips. So, I mean, to me, to be honest with you, I'm pretty much done. That's a wrap for me. Bagging that, yeah. I can break even. Matter of fact, what I do is, look, let me show you guys something. I'm going to let me see, from here to, what is this, 25, 27 pips right there. Matter of fact, let me put I'm gonna break even at the fact that, where was it, 35 pips was lost today. So let's do 35 pips. 35 pips is going to be where I'm going to place my stop loss and profit. All right. If she comes back up and hit me, I don't know why this is here. All right. I can't get rid of this thing. Okay. If she comes back and hit me, she's coming back up to price 23.32. My stop losses and profit, I will break even for the day. You see how I just managed my losses? I just managed my loss by breaking even for the day, putting my stop loss in profit 35 pips. The rest of it can just run. So let me update it on my thing here. All right, 23.32. 23.32. Modified. Easy. So now, listen, it would be it's going to be a win-win, or it's going to be a win. It's going to be a break even, which is still a win-win because I didn't lose anything, right? Due to the fact that I lost a small amount to get a bigger bag, but I also went break even so that I can cover that small amount. If you want to play it where you want to come in and maybe take 10 pips off of that, or 20 pips, your stop loss, if you wanted to be like up for the day, 10 pips, you can do, all right, let's see here. 10 pips would be here, right? So then you would be like 10 pips, 10 pip profit, right? You can take the 10 pip profit and walk away with the 10 pip profit, right? That's still a nice little bag right there at that 10 pip profit line. So if they come up to 23.31, I'm in profit 10 pips. So now, not only do I just recovered the loss that we took of the 35 pips this morning, but I also bagged 10 pips. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm up 10 pips. So I'm going to adjust it to this 23.31.24. Modified 23.31. 0.24, right? And I'm gonna modify. Boom. Now I'm 10 pips in profit. Okay. Look, I'm showing, man, I can't be more transparent with you guys. I've been on this stream with you for an hour and 44 minutes, and I have showed you the ins and outs of my psychology and how I trade. This is how it's going. I'm placing trades on my MetaTrader 4. And I'm actually up in profit 10 pips now, right? So I've recovered what we lost this morning, and I've given you guys an extra 10 pips. So now you got 10 pips. You're up 10 pips for the day, right? That's great. 10 pips, I don't know what your 10 pips are worth. You know what I mean? They could be worth $100. It could be worth $1. It could be worth, $10. I don't know. I don't know what your 10 pips is worth. But my 10 pips is worth enough for me to recover my losses and put me up in profit. You know what I'm saying? So I'm good. I'm back at the stop loss here, this profit area, stop loss and profit. I'm break even. 10 pip profit, I'm up 10 pips. So I've taken care of my break even, and I profited 10 pips on the board. Nothing is wrong with that. I'm going to continue to hold this trade. If she comes back up to here, I don't care. I could walk away with 10 pips, guys. You got to kind of like have that, you know, you got to learn your psychology. You know what I mean? You got to learn what type of trader you are, and you got to think quick on your feet. Listen, just because you get knocked out of a trade doesn't necessarily mean that you're done trading for the day. You can sit back and watch it, and maybe there'll be another setup for you, and you can take that setup, right? I was watching to see her move and push up into liquidity areas, thinking, okay, I could take a shot here. Would I taken a shot here? Strong chance I could have taken a shot there, because when I looked left, there was a 5-minute gap right there. Right? So this could have been a shot. First shot, I would have got in. I got in a little late, but I wanted to make sure that this market wasn't going to continue to push past that area. It had to stall in this area. And then it pushed below it. And it had to not break the high. And it didn't do that. And I seen that it was breaking the lows here. So I'm like, all right, well, I'm going to take the lows out. And that's exactly what happened, guys. And that's it. So we're done. We're done for the day. We've actually, if you would have got in with me here, you definitely would have hit 100 pips. So 100 pips were reached on this stream today. If you've taken the trade the second trade. The first one didn't pan out, but the second one got it. And now we recovered everything that we lost and some. You feel me? This is trading. This is how you should be thinking of trading, right? Not just looking like, oh, you got knocked out. You know, that's the mentality of a new trader that hasn't been in the game long, who doesn't understand market price, that doesn't understand price action, who don't understand what it means when you actually got hit. You were just captured. That's all. You know what I mean? You were just captured. Your position got captured. So now go freaking figure out why you got captured. I ran you guys through this thing so many times. Oh, this is the reason why they pushed up. These are the areas that they would target. Now I'm looking for sales. I told you guys this whole time I'm looking for sales. I would not have bought this market. And I actually didn't want to sell it while she was pushing up. I said, no, I can't sell this if she's just going to keep pushing up. You think I knew she was going to fall? No, she has to they have to make the setup. The setup was happening. It happened here. I saw it twice. Here go one. Here go the second. Here's the first one. They came back and played into it, and now they're dropped, and they broke the lows. Okay, come back, retest, they down. That's what I was looking for. And I wanted to see if we were going to get it. And we got it. And if I see the setup, I'm gonna take it. You feel me? I'm not gonna be like, well, I lost the setup way down here. Well, let me not take the setup now. Fuck that, guys. I'm gonna take the setup. You know what I mean? I just want you guys to be able to think quick and fast on your feet. You see how quick and fast I had to think on my feet? I had to wait. I'm watching. She stalled. Okay, she's pulling back. She didn't push further up. She's pushing back, giving us more black candles and, strong black candles too. Engulfing. These are engulfing areas. This is what I was looking for. Boom, that. Boom, this. This right here was letting me know that she was pushing down. This is why I took the sell. Over here, no, hell no. I didn't want to take a sell over here. Why would I take a sell here when all of this was just moving up, 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 up? But I had to find out where she was moving up to even find a sell. I know I wanted to. I just didn't want to sell this. I didn't want to sell that, right? I wanted to see the setup. This was the setup. This is what I was looking for, guys. That right there. That was enough to say, hey, this market is falling. All right. Go back in the video and see right before this happened. All right. And now I'm holding this sell. We are deep in profit. I would have taken the 10 pip if she would have hit me out at 10 pips, that would have been fine with me. That would have been fine. Because one, I would have been back at break even with 10 pips. Cool. I'm okay with that. But now I'm letting this runner run. So we are up. It's an easy 2 bands right now and a few pips. Right? Give me a few more pips and I'm going to hit 2 bands easy. All I need. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is trading, man. Trading is a fun game. It's a mental game. All right, it's you against the charts. It's not you versus anybody else, but you against the charts. All I'm looking to hit is 2 bands. Come on, keep pushing down. This market keeps pushing because I used a 2.0 on this. I recovered everything that I lost, and I'm getting more profits. I just want to see it hit 2 bands. 2 bands hit, boom. And that's good, man. That's enough for me. One, I made 2 bands before 10 o'clock. You know, a lot of other traders ain't doing that. Some traders are doing it. Now I'm just going to adjust this because I wanna take more profits now. After hitting that much. All right, hold on. Right here. Here. Let's take. That would have been 10 pip. We're gonna close out with 10 plus. Let's do 50 pip right here. Boom. 50 pip. Okay. I'm gonna take 50 pips here, and then that's it. That's game. Where are we at? 20. What is that at? 23, 27.15. I'm gonna adjust it. Modify. 20. Where is it? What did I say? 23, 27.15, and modify. Okay. I'm gonna leave with 50 pips, guys. That's it. That's all I got for you guys today. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern time. I will update the group. If you're in the Telegram group, you're getting all of the updates. If you're not in the Telegram group and you're new to my channel, make sure you go down in the description. There is a free link. You can click that link and get into the group for free, and you will see all the updates that I'm making in the back instead of just listening to me type, right? Let's see if we're going to be out 50 pips. We might be out 50 pips today. 50 pips. We'll take 50 pips and walk away. Actually, let's see. Yeah, we're going to take 50 pips and walk away. All right. And that's pretty much it for the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time. If you like this video, share this video with somebody who is wanting to advance their trading. And look, boom, we're out 50 pip. That's it. That's done. We're done for the day. Yeah, we took hit on the first one, but now we're out. We're done with 50 pips. All right. So I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow, same time. That's all I got for you guys today. I'm finna get my day started. One love, Mo Diesel out.